Hello class 8. In today's class we are going to discuss some programming question as a practice. The first question is, in a class of n number of students. In a class of n number, we do not know how many students are there. Number of students is n. The number of girls is m. So total number of students are n, and out of n, the number of girls is m. Write a program to input the values of n and m and find and display the percentage of boys and girls. So what will you input? We'll input the n, number of students, will input the m. So number of boys will be n minus m, total strength is n, and number of girls are m, the number of boys will be n minus m, and then we'll find the percentage. Okay, so let us write this program. You can give students, class name, students. All right, now import java dot util dot scanner semicolon, public class given. Now public static void line, public static void main in the bracket string args, as usual we write square bracket close. Next line, scanner ob equal to new scanner system.in. system.in semicolon. So object is created. Now enter number of students. System out println enter number of students. Enter number of students, and after that we'll input the number of girls, that will be m. Semicolon. Int then total number of students is given n. The n equal to ob.nextInt. Now same way enter number of girls. Just copy this two line to help us to type the program. Now enter number of girls. Okay, so I have typed the message. Girls variable is given m. M equal to ob.nextInt. So now find out the number of boys. So int b for boys equal to n minus m. This will be number of boys. Now what we have to find out? Percentage of boys. The double p for percentage, b for boys. So pb means percentage of boys equal to double, use the explicit typecasting, b by n into 100. We are using the formula of percentage. Now the same way, find out the percentage of girls. So double percentage of girls, pg for percentage of girls equal to double girls variable is m. The m total strength is n into 100. Now print percentage of boys. System out println number of percentage of boys. Percentage of boys equal to pb. pb we have taken as a variable. Just copy the same line. Now make it percentage of girls. And make it here PG. Program is over. Let us compile and check that if there is any error or not. Compile. System, spelling is wrong, M is missing here. So type here M. No syntax error. Close. Void main. Okay. Number of students, suppose 89. Number of girls, suppose 34. So percentage of boys 61.79, percentage of girls 38. Once again check the output. It asking percentage, enter the number of students, suppose 45. Number of girls 22, percentage of boys 51.11, percentage of girls 48. Okay, so this was question number 1. Now one more program we'll discuss. See the question: an employee contributes 12% of salary to the provident fund. Provident fund is the amount which an employee gets after his retirement. Usually after retirement only, he can take before also. So 12% of salary to the provident fund. Of the remaining salary, he spends 10% on the house rent and 20% on education of the children. Now write a program to input salary and calculate the amount deducted as provident fund, the amount spent on rent, the amount spent on education, and display the output accordingly. So see, in this program, we have to input the salary. You have to enter the salary of the employee, and we'll calculate 12% PF of the salary, and then we'll find the remaining amount. The remaining amount will be salary minus PF, and on the remaining amount, we'll find out 20%, 10% for the house rent and 20% for the education of his children, and we will print it. Okay, so let us write the program. New class name, suppose salary. Just from the previous program, copy subline, it will help us. Salary is created. First import line, importing java.util, import java.util.scanner. We have copied some line from the previous program. Just paste it. Enter number of students. What will be here? Enter salary. Enter salary. Int n. We can take double also. Suppose S for salary. Now what you have to calculate? First you have to calculate the PF. So double PF equal to 12% of the salary. The salary into 12%, the 12 by 100. Now remaining salary, the double RS for remaining salary equal to salary minus PF. Now how much percentage is spent on the rent? 10%. The double rent, REN, rent for the rent equal to, this will be 10% on the remaining amount. The remaining salary into 10 by 100, 10%. Now what you have to find out? The amount spent on the education. The double on the education, ED equal to remaining salary into how many percent? 20%. The 20 by 100. All the calculation done. Now print it. System out println amount contributed in PF. Amount contributed in PF. PF. Let's copy this line. It will help us to type next line. Now amount spent in education. Amount spent on rent. Spent on rent. REN. Now once again, amount spent on in education. Spent in education. That is ED. The program is completed. Close the main method, close the class and compile the program. Let us see is there any mistake or not, any error or not. No error, close. Right click, void main, OK. Salary suppose 12,000. The amount contributed in PF is 1440, spent on rent 1056, education 2112. Once again check it with different salary. Suppose salary is 34,500. Then PF 4,140, on rent 3,036 and education 6,072. So please write this both the programs and practice. Thank you.